Welcome to ARM Technologies KSA.
Here to know more about robotic vacuum gripper. About vacuum gripper: it is a type of end-of-arm tooling used in robotic systems to handle and manipulate objects. It operates by creating a vacuum to generate a grip on an object. Vacuum grippers are commonly used in various industries, including manufacturing, packaging, logistics, and food processing. Types of vacuum grippers. 1. Single cup grippers, use one suction cup for simple, small objects. 2. Multi-cup grippers, use multiple suction cups to handle larger or irregularly shaped objects. 3. Foam grippers, have a foam pad with many tiny suction holes, ideal for handling objects with uneven surfaces. Vacuum grippers are widely used in various industries due to their versatility and efficiency. Here are some of the primary uses. Working principle. Vacuum generation. A vacuum is created using either an electric vacuum pump or a compressed air-driven venturi. Suction cups. The gripper typically has one or more suction cups made of materials like rubber or silicone. These cups make contact with the object. Seal formation. When the suction cups are pressed against the object, a seal is formed. The vacuum pump then removes air from the cup, creating a pressure difference. Lifting. The pressure difference creates a strong holding force, allowing the gripper to lift and manipulate the object. Here are detailed applications of vacuum grippers in different sectors. 1. Packaging industry: box handling, used to pick and place boxes onto pallets or conveyor belts. Bag handling, ideal for lifting and moving bags of products like grains, powders, or food items. Shrink-wrapped items, handling shrink-wrapped packages without damaging the wrapping. 2. Manufacturing industry: assembly lines, picking and placing parts, especially in electronics and automotive assembly. Metal sheets, handling large, flat sheets of metal for cutting or stamping processes. Plastic components, moving plastic parts or components between manufacturing stages. 3. Food industry: delicate items, handling fruits, vegetables, or bakery products without causing damage. Packaging, moving packaged food items or containers on production lines. 4. Glass and window manufacturing: glass sheets, moving large glass panes or windows, which are delicate and heavy. Solar panels, handling solar panels during manufacturing and installation. 5. Woodworking: wood panels, lifting and positioning wooden panels or boards in furniture production or construction. 6. Textile industry: fabric rolls, handling rolls of fabric or textiles. Cut pieces, moving cut fabric pieces for further processing or assembly. 7. Pharmaceutical industry: sterile handling, moving pharmaceutical products in cleanroom environments. Packaging, handling blister packs, bottles, or other containers used for medications. 8. Electronics industry: circuit boards, handling delicate circuit boards during assembly. Component placement, placing small electronic components accurately on assembly lines. 9. Logistics and warehousing: order picking, assisting in picking and placing items for order fulfillment. Palletizing, stacking products onto pallets for shipping. 10. Automotive industry: body panels, handling large body panels or windshields. Engine components, moving heavy engine parts or components during assembly. 11. Robotic applications: flexible automation, used in robotic arms for automated picking, placing, and moving tasks across various industries. 12. Construction: prefabricated components, handling prefabricated building components. Tiles and pavers, lifting and placing tiles or paving stones accurately. Advantages: versatility, can handle a wide range of objects of different sizes, shapes, and materials. Gentle handling, suitable for delicate items as they distribute the gripping force evenly. Simple design, relatively easy to install and maintain. Disadvantages: limited to non-porous materials, works best with non-porous or semi-porous materials, struggles with highly porous surfaces. Power dependency, requires a constant power source to maintain the vacuum. Sensitivity to surface condition, effectiveness can be reduced by dust, dirt, or irregularities on the object's surface.
Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.